I've got to remember you're shying away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take me on. I'll be yours. And I'll take you too. What's up po sa mga kababayan natin dito sa London, UK? She's a 5'10" and cats it in brown eyes. Everybody would stare and wouldn't believe that this girl was mine. I should've known I was wrong when I left her for a life in Billy Pie. They say you'll never miss the water until it's gone. Yeah, cause I failed to love you and just taking it out tonight. Let's go! Am I supposed to leave you now when you're looking like that? I can't believe what I just gave away. Now I can't take it back. I don't wanna get lost. I don't wanna live my life without you. Am I supposed to leave you now when you're looking like? How am I supposed to leave you? I can't believe what I just gave away. Cause I can't take it back. I'm lost. I don't wanna live my life without you. Am I supposed to leave you now when you're looking like that? Grabe naman po, maraming salamat naman po. At thank you so much po for braving the rain. Kahit medyo maulan, iba yata yung ulan dito sa London na hindi tayo magkakasakit dito, no? Tingin niyo po. So anyway, of course, welcome po sa ating annual Barrio Fiesta. Maraming salamat po to everyone who's here today. Actually tonight, gabi na pala, mayroong araw pa. But I'm so happy to be back after 7 years. 7 years was the last time and it was a very long time, but I hope everyone's having fun. And sana po nag-enjoy kayo lahat. Busog na ba lahat? Nakakain na ba ng mga Pinoy food dyan? Ako natikman ko kanina, ewan ko kung kanino galing yung barbecue, yung lechon kawali, tapos yung inasal. Napakasarap talaga. Parang hindi ako galing sa Pilipinas kahapon. But anyway, thank you so much. And with that, I'd like to give my next song. And if you know this song, you can sing with me. Medyo bago to, medyo launching ko to. So music please. OPM naman tayo ngayon.